Okay. 18 years. I've been here 18. Oh, that's right. It's 18 years. Holy crap. Alright, countdown. It's the final countdown. Yes, welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, there's an arm on the floor. What the flip? Tick, tick, tick. Time keeps ticking down. Let's get to work. My microphone is just... Hold on, sorry. Oh, yes. I love what you've done with your hair. Wow. For each... What the hell is up with this... Ugh. For each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox, followed by all numbers down to or up to 0. It's a countdown. Ooh, it's a countdown. I hope I win. You got new commands. That's... They add 1 or subtract 1 from an item on the floor. Result is given back to you, and for your convenience, also written right back to the floor. Bump. Interesting. Is that... What? What? Bump. Add 1 to the contents of a specific tile on the floor. The result is written back to the floor and also back into your hands for your own... Oh my god. Oh shit. Well. Let's just drink our beer. Holy shit snacks. Alright, hello again. Welcome back to... Okay, this one. Alright, what else? Tell me more. What's the secret to eternal youth? Enjoying your work, feeling important, and proper sunscreen application. Because you look like you're tan. Oh, wow. Give me an example. If your inbox is 330, your outbox should be 3210, negative 3210, 0. Oh, we gotta use 10 or fewer commands and complete in 82 or fewer steps. Holy shnikes. Alright, so we need to go down to... We need to go to 7, then to 6, to 5, to 4, to 3, to 2, to 1. So, let's... Alright, okay, I've got it now. Alrighty, holy crap. So, Bump. There. Jump. Alright, let's see what this does. Okay, somewhere that didn't screw that messed up. Alright. So we drop it on the... Grab it from the inbox, we copy to there. Copy to 0. Puts it on that spot. We bump it, it puts it into 0 and puts it out into our hands. And then we... So now we need... So now the problem is okay, we have... When we do that, we put it on the block on 0. And then we subtract 1 with the bump. And that puts it on the floor as a 4, well, this in case it'll be a 3. And then a negative, and then a 3 in our hands. So we need to... If it's going to say, is it 0? No, and then it's going to jump back... Oh, that's where... Here we are. I see. Okay. How about we do this? Okay, let's see where this gets us so far. So far, it seems pretty simple, but I think it's going to get a lot harder after that. And that hand is disturbing me. So we put it on the thing, drop it down, bump it up, take it out. Is it 0? No. Copy 2. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright. No. Alright. Now. Gonna do this again. Okay. Yeah. Now we're gonna see that it's 0. Because it says jump if 0, and we take it to the outbox. Huh? I don't understand something. For each number in the inbox, send that number to the outbox. Oh, I forgot half of the damn thing. Alright. So down to and including 0? Ooh, shit snacks. Alright. So we need to figure out how to get that to the outbox. Then go back and grab the thing. Alright, so we need to go to the outbox. Copy to bump here. Alright, now what does that do? 2, drop it on the thing. I think we're at, yeah. We forgot, yeah, okay, alright. So... outbox. Goes to the inbox, copies it to, takes to the outbox. Goes back from 0. Now let's try that. So taking down to 9. Right, we take the 9 over there. Yes, then we go back and we grab 9. Then we bump it. And we keep bumping it. Take the 8. Okay. Alright, let's just get through that one. Alright, we keep going. We're doing good. That's good. Now we gotta... Now! We figured that part of it out. So we need to take that to the outbox. And then... copy from here. Now we need to have a statement in here that says if it's negative, jump if negative to here. We want to bump plus. So where's that one? So go into the outbox, copy it into the 0, take it to the outbox. Copy it from 0. If it's negative, it's going to jump down to here, add them, and then take it back to here. So now we're okay. Now we're screwed. Watch what happens here. All right, let's just forward ahead because you know what's going to happen. Yep. All right, so need to separate those two. Okay, so we need to have two nested interactions where it goes to the inbox. When I say nested interactions, I may not be the right phrase. But essentially what we need to do is we need to have a branching logic by saying that if we go to the inbox, we look at the number and say, is it negative, we need to go here. If it's positive, we need to go here and do these actions. So let's build out what those are and figure out how that goes. So inbox, copy to, outbox. Copy from 0, bump. That's if it's positive. So we need to have a jump. Inbox. Can we use the same space on the floor, do you think? We can get away with that? So inbox, copy to 0. Outbox, copy from 0. Yeah, we got that right. So we need... Okay, so the second set of nested loops is going to be the bump 0. Plus... So, after each one of these, we need to jump. But I just need to figure out where those jumps need to go. They got to go back to the outbox because that's where they're going to end up being once they grab those, right? So we go to the inbox, copy to 0, outbox, copy from 0, bump, negative, jump to there, go to the outbox, and then do the same thing over again. And then the same thing happens to go. So we need to have the, if it's 0, no, wait, if it's negative, okay, if it's negative, we need to get copy from. We need to go from the copy from if it's negative. And say, go to, where did it go? Go here. Right? And then we need to, okay, so if it was 0, how do we stop it from adding and subtracting if it's 0? So, if it's 0, we need to say, we need to have it end at the outbox. But where does it start at? After the bumps? No. Copy from 0. If copy from 0 on the floor, this thing, go here. Does that sound right? Let's try it. Shit! You can't jump if negative with empty hands. Oh, crap. Alright, so that can't go there. So jump if... let's go back to the inbox then. How about that? Does that work? No, we can't. Oh, we screwed up our thing here now. Oh, wait, no. Okay, here's where we got screwed up at. Alright, hold on. Hold on. If it's, yeah, we don't want... Okay, if it's 0, yeah. If it's not 0, we need... Okay. Yeah, let's try... Okay, let's try that. How about that? It's not as hard... Actually, this wasn't as hard as I... If this works out, this wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. Oddly enough, though, I'm only through the first part, and I'm just kind of worried when I get to the negative number. Because that's where I'm going to have the issues at. But... Alright, so it's 0, we don't want to put 0 in. Okay, that's right, because we want to skip if it's 0. We only want numbers that actually can go down to 0. Is that... I think we got it, man. I think we got this one. Holy crap, dude. Skip it. Yeah. Okay. Aha! Baby! Look at that shit. Awesome. How about that? Did we get it, Bo? Size challenge? We got the size challenge. Ooh, shit. You know what? I'm taking this one as a win right now. And I will come back and do another one where we get that down to 82 steps. Okay, so now if we take this approach, we go to the inbox, we drop it in the 0 place. We then go to the outbox because that's the first number. Now we have to count down to 0. So, then we copy from 0. If it is 0, we jump back up to the inbox. Because we don't want 0, we want the next logical number. If it's a negative, we want to jump down here because we want to make it a positive. Well, we want to add 1 to make it to 0. Then, if it is not 0, we want to bump, or not negative, we want to bump it down 1 in order to make it 0. We bump it down 1, we jump down to here, then we jump back up to here, and then we take it to the outbox. And we go back through that same steps, checking to see if it's 0, checking to not see if it's negative, and then bumping it down 1 until we reach 0. When we reach 0, then we skip back up to here, and we go back to the inbox. So we know to stop at that point, and then go to the inbox. So let's try it out, shall we? And this will do the same thing. When we reach a negative number, it's going to skip down here because it's negative. And I'll show you that in a second. Bump that. Now that it's 0, we take it over to the outbox. Now, we go back to the inbox because that is 0. We say, no way. Put that down. Take that and put the next logical number in the outbox. Now, we need to bump it up because it is a less than negative. So we go down to this little subroutine here. Keep doing that. Take it back down to -4. And keep going through. And we just keep going there. And there you have it. Boom. And with that, we get the size challenge, less than 10 commands or less. And we get the speed challenge. We don't get it anyways. We actually did worse. Okay, now that got us there's an optimization challenges. That got us the optimization challenge of 10 or fewer commands, but we didn't get it in under 82 steps. And as you see, my original, when I did the first video, was 114 steps. I actually did worse. But this is just to prove a point. You don't have to do them both at the same time. I know we all want to be perfect the first time out, but it's not going to happen. This game has thrown me enough frustrations as it is, doing it. But I found a different way to do it without having to hit both of them at the same time, but just going back and getting the other challenge by forgetting that we need to have 10 or fewer commands. Sometimes elegant design doesn't work the way we want it to. Sometimes it's just a logical choice. So here, let's check this out and see if we can get it under 82 steps with this solution. So in this case, we're going to take something from the outbox, or the inbox, put it over, take it over to the outbox, and then we're going to go through here and do all the way down to 0, of course. Alright, now, when we get down to the outbox, we go to 0. We're going to look and say jump if it's 0. So we can see we got to 0. We go to the inbox. Is it 0? Is jump if it's 0. Okay, we don't jump if it's 0. We jump that it's negative. We go down to here and we copy it to things. So now we're bypassing this bumping stuff because it's a positive number. Now we're going into negative numbers. Now we go down to the outbox because we have to put the first one in. And then we bump down, and then we bump up to get to 0. You can see we can skip all the way down here because now we're 0. We can jump all the way back to the top again. We're going to go down to 0. Now we have a 0. It's jumped if it's 0. Right here. Whoops, right there. We jump if 0 and go to the outbox. Now, go back to the inbox. We have one more number and it's a negative number. We're going to, as you can see, we go through the code. We pick up the number. We jump if it's 0. We don't need to jump. We jump if it's negative. We do need to jump. We get on the copy to the first spot. Then we say, I'm going to put the first one in the outbox and then go back and do some math. There we go here. Is this 0? Jump if it's 0. Jump down. Skip these 2 steps and go right to the outbox because that's telling this is our subroutine that tells us that if it's 0, go to the outbox. And then, of course, we are done. And did we get it there? We already had the 10 or few commands. We don't need to worry about it, but we did it in less than 80. We did it in 82 steps or less, so that gets us both challenges, and there you go. Boom! Both lights up. Like I said, you don't have to do them both at the same time. You can do them as separate issues. There you go. Hee-ha-hoo-oh, ba-ba-da-boo, ba-ba-da-biddy-bop-biddy-da-da-da-ba-da-bop-beep-bop, wah-wah-wah-wah.